Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I wanted to give you a very quick update on a critical vulnerability that was released by Microsoft yesterday, which is August 12th, and it is regarding a remote code execution type vulnerability, and it's got a CVE, CVE 2020-1182, and it affects Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations on-prem, and it affects the product version 10.0.11. And since it's a remote code execution vulnerability, if someone can exploit it, they could run their own code in victim server. The requirement, the person, if you want to exploit, you gotta have authentication to the server, and you gotta have privileges to import and export data. Now, how to fix this vulnerability and be secure is just go to the Microsoft release site and get the security update. Now let's go there, and I'm going to provide this link in the video. So here you will find a little bit of more details what is going on, and all you need to do is come over here and download the security update and install it. Again, Microsoft is rating this vulnerability as critical, but they believe the exploitation is less likely due to, most probably I would think, that they would need, or as an attacker would need, an authentication before they can successfully exploit this vulnerability. Now, workarounds, there's no other workarounds at the moment, so your update would be the best thing to do and be secure. So that's about it. If you need more information, there is usually a Mithray link. You can also go there and read up more about this vulnerability, and just download your security patch and be secure. Thank you.